We press UniteVerse. We choose an authorization method. Press Next and Connect. To activate, we need to press the Activate button. We purchase the full package with CoinSit. Confirm the action by pressing the Apply button. Enter the amount we trust the site to purchase the tier and confirm the transaction. Then confirm the transaction for the purchase itself. During the purchase of the tiers, simply confirm the transaction. If you want to speed up transaction processing on the network, press Market and select Aggressive and confirm our transaction.